now there is a rapist, he's a rapper and rapist. Thank God, from anatomy, from doctor, he can do anatomy, he can do computer engineering. Then he can
computer science, so
computer,
not engineering.
Different day.
Difference day, but slightly.
What's the engineering they do?
Engineering is more of hardware and all those kind of level. Science is more of practical, manual,
software
and software.
Oh. Okay, soft skill and hard skill.
Soft skill and hard skill. Now you're not going to need to sleep with the director.
No need.
No need.
It's you and your computer.
Anyway, we will discuss the matter whether ego could make mama or papa choose what they go study for school. We get Slim also for Inside Studio. Our phone number is going down to TV. Make you begin the call us. Make you know what you get to talk on top of the matter. On top Twitter, Sharon Omeji could say he better make child go for in choice rather than the parents choosing for them. Everybody get inspiration and the subject they are good at. Easy bit, we know what thing they good at for school. My parents didn't choose for me, but they didn't allow me to do what I want. I wanted to be a military man, but my dad didn't allow me.
I don't know why. Solomon,
he said it's not good for parents to choose what children go to study for school because I was planning to read accounts before. Now I'm a psychologist.
So what do you think that your psychologists do now?
The police then go there now.
Yes, now they try to
understand within the
criminals.
They stress your brain at their job.
They don't do that thing before.
1 or 2 times. They just stress me.
This guy don't lie. Aka, good evening.
Hey, good evening.
How is you? Why your voice change? Yeah?
No, because of Slim.
Now because of Slim, your voice change.
I'm good. How are you doing today?
Hey.
Wait. Now because of Slim, your voice change.
What do you say?
I said, what do you say? You're gonna say you look. See what? Instead of what? Or see what?
Now because of Slim, your voice changed.
Excuse me. I want to say something.
Look, now because of Slim, you change English, okay?
No, I'm calling from not a face, no, not a kid.
Where you come from? Aka.
I'm calling from United Kingdom.
Okay, you never get work. Work, no wonder. You never work for customers, don't scars. As ministers don't come outside, now scars don't.
No, actually, we are trying to open a branch in United Kingdom, you know.
United Kingdom.
You know?
Yeah, I did not associate, you know, they make me an ambassador of NAM. So I'm now in United Kingdom trying to open a branch there, you know.
Okay. We feel you, but
because it's gonna make it good, you know.
They have a certain clientele you need to cater to.
Hello?
She don't understand the English.
And she speak different.
And she speak different.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, man. What's up? What up, man?
Yeah, I'm saying that, you know, I am the ambassador of NAP in Nigeria.
Okay.
They send me to United Kingdom to get some customers for them, you know.
So you are a NAP ambassador?
Slim. Aka, talk to Slim. Talk to Slim. Sell
your market.
Sell your market to Slim. Oh, see whether Slim go fit.
Slim, baby.
Hey, what's poppin'? How you doing?
I'm cool. How you doing?
I'm fine, great.
You know what happened, Slim? I'm gonna tell you something now.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah, we the NAP members, you know, we have a program coming up very soon. We're gonna do talent hunts. We're gonna do auditions for excuse me, Neddy's gonna help me more. Neddy and Captain will help me on this issue, you know.
Just try to summarize them. Very easy, very brief. Just small. We did here.
Do you want to play again? I don't gotta calm down. I don't fall my leg.
Okay, you don't fall your hand yourself.
I fall my leg.
Baby.
I'm not there now.
Oh yeah, Aka, good night. You don't do you from Abuja. Good evening.
Baby.
Hello.
Pooh.
Hello?
You see your TV there too loud. Yeah, you know you're not hopeful.
Hello?
Why you gonna hear me when your TV loud?
Good evening.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Good evening, oh.
Catherine.
Ma?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening. Evening.
Ma?
Hello.
How you doing now?
Fine, good evening.
You know Chris Slim for studio.
I see where you can be more here.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
So if you come back and talk you need to come down to basics. Say me mamba me and so for say time condom.
Tom, that Tom now.
A very strong.
Very strong Tom.
Hope that
Hope
have
bye.
Hope
Now,
no get
Slim, Mo ask you, so far, what will be the challenges when they say you the face as an artist for inside Nigeria?
as a rapist.
As a rapist, as a rapper.
As a rapper, as a rapist.
What will
As
be
a
that
rapper.
a challenge when they say you the face?
Yeah, in a summary, I just that failure of success. Actually, they happen to every great mind, every great thinker, and every ambitious human being. The moment we just start to the fear, whether if, what if, it work.
What if now what you supposed to be
you
this?
understand? So in summary, I just fear of failure.
Try.
Wow.
That's in a very strong
You need to go see Pastor Tony Omo.
As in, you give me other pastors after to
Okay,
make
after
I
that.
just-
Oh, one not go fit cure
I'm
am.
not sure.
Yeah, nowhere.
We'll line them up, bros.
If you, after this one, you go do
We'll go
this.
the next one till it work, till I'm fully okay.
Hello, good evening.
Edu, good evening.
My brother, how is you?
I'm good, and you?
And we there, how Ogun State?
I'm going to say very well. Where you go yesterday?
And is it they send me go somewhere?
I think you go your connection joint.
My connect? No, they send me go somewhere.
No, so you're not for Monday now.
So you not be Monday thing now?
No.
No, not me. I said
No, now we they tell you say we know they do so.
We not eat you on Monday.
No.
It didn't
Okay, now
mean.
Friday at the time.
No, any other day, but not be Monday.
Not Monday.
Okay.
Yeah,
Better thing.
Oh yeah, talk to us. This thing what they discuss. I'm guest Slim also for inside studio.
It's not good, Sha, but sometimes it's good. You know, if your pikin they grow up with you, you will discover what thing it will be.
Okay.
So based on the behavior. So that's why some parents they like to choose for their children.
Okay.
But definitely, it's good me you use your own choice based on what you know about yourself, what you
Okay.
discover about yourself. So that it will keep work out for you.
Okay.
But as for me, my parents not choose for me.
Okay.
Because right from my childhood, I prefer mechanical engineering. So,
Yeah, mechanic now.
so by God's grace now, my waiting and doing
All right. Thank
my
you.
life forward.
Osasko, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, easy, have fun.
Hello from Zaria. Good evening. Charity. Cha-cha.
Riri, Titi.
Cha-cha. You don't tell what people say they call charity.
Eh.
But let's say people know they give their children charity
They
again.
don't spread the whole thing.
They don't spoil it. Before charity, hope,
Faith.
faith,
Glory.
Grace.
mercy,
Glory.
glory,
Grace.
grace,
Magdalene.
Magdalene. Anyway, Slim, make we ask you another question.
yeah.
Now, if actually they get this fear, and this fear they do your body now, what if it happen? Not be say it go happen. What if it happen? Say okay,
Yes.
apart from music, make I do another thing. Apart from music, what will be the second another thing where you go for fit do to dig for?
Apart from you.
Yeah, they're very creative and spontaneous. Apart from music, I could go back and get a job because I'm actually a graduate of computer science. I feel find work.
For bank?
If no, I don't like bank, bros. If they allow us line up and all those kind, I don't like bank, I no work.
But-
So if
So
not
which kind
music,
place?
if not music, I'll just get a job, but not bank.
Which kind of job?
Maybe IBM kind of
IT kind of work I can be.
Ah!
IT, yeah.
If I talk computer, Yahoo.
No, not Yahoo.
And
Security, software, and everything.
What you say? She Katim say you go blow for Yahoo. Not try, but EFCC
No,
go
you no
you.
good.
You no good.
so
EFCC
they
go.
even fit tell you anything.
No, and we know they got. So far, apart from this song, what's the title of that song?
It's Focused.
Focus. Now, how many songs you get so far?
A lot of songs I've been working.
Wow. So
I'm
like
not
how
full
it plenty where
You feature people inside.
you don't feature.
Yeah, lots of work. And this Focus is like the first single of my EP album. It's titled Focus, so I'm dropping an EP.
Okay.
It's
When
titled
you dey
Focus,
drop
and
am?
this is the title track. Before the end of this year, I'll
Before the end of the year, you go drop am?
Me, everybody just they watch,
Then they
observe.
feel you.
Yeah.
How do you decide say you won't be rappers?
Like,
Because they flow
for
very
me,
well.
Yeah, thank you very much. For me, music for me is like self-expression, expressing yourself in the best way where you feel just make people understand communication
IG
and
for
interaction. Thank you very much.
Promise. Good evening.
So if you dey rap about
Hello.
anything.
Anything. yeah.
Prapra, how is you?
That's fine.
How Benin today? Na man.
Huh?
How Benin today? Now would I greet you?
Benin fine.
What you talk?
Nah,
fine.
be fine.
Fine.
I hear blessing picking. Do we? Okay, we hear you. Continue. We hear you. Now, okay. Apart from that question, we'll ask you now. Katim ask whether you don't do collab with any of art. Now, which artists you don't do collaboration?
And which ones you go like?
And which one you go like to do collab with?
I don't work with Play.
Oh, Play that basket. That was never.
Yeah, it's with family actually. With family.
Lie.
Yeah, never lie. And I will even never lie.
Anyway, before I come back to you, Officer Sharif say it's good for parents to counsel or advise than to choose courses for them. I agree with you. Officer Sharif, I agree with you. And then Sharif say, I totally disagree with parents doing that. It's what is affecting me now. My dad wants medicine, but with the fight, I'm studying accounting. Oh, and it affect you. Oh, yeah.
Sorry, it's all.
So now be saying if I do the medicine, Abi. It is very, very wrong actually, but it is mandatory.
It's very wrong, but it's mandatory. Why you go contradict yourself like this? Our parents serve as guide and counsel.
Okay, it's mandatory for our parents to serve as guide and counsel.
They do wine waste well.
But a man you be not let me to mind waste again. Please, I'm not here. And then way of skin is say for this Niger, another person profession they put food for my table.
Another person.
Parents allow children to study what they want to study, help the child in the future. May we ask them, what do you think?
Okay, parents allow children study what they want to study, and actually, not true. If you understand, if you have understanding, and you can just allow your kid or your child follow that same line with that ambition and drive where the person gets, it can actually be successful.
So if you're picking now, say, I won't be shoe shiner.
You make an
Look at Biki say when they act that film where they off lights act.
That kind of film, man. We know we just even get switch for light for ourselves. No need for switch to the on or off light at all. Me everywhere you did.
You know, the families they always like somebody must be doctor, somebody must be lawyer. We know one of our friends, Kiki Omili, when be doctor, he go school, go study. Now in they be actress.
Actress.
Just like that too.
Just like that. Anyway, for those who are following on top Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, what will be your handle for them to follow?
Same thing everywhere is at It's Your Boy Slim, ITSUR.
Wait!
Hey, call on well.
At It's Your Boy Slim.
One word.
It's Your Boy.
ITSUR.
Okay, one word.
Make we find
one
you.
word.
At It's Your Boy Slim.
At It's Your Boy Slim. BOY Slim.
Your boy.
If you want follow Slim now at It's Your Boy, then at ATITSBOYSLIM. It's Your Boy Slim on top Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Anyway, double toilet all Instagram now.
No, I go Instagram. That one I know
not
very
the
well.
same thing. Not the same thing way you talk now. They talk.
Now my Instagram, I don't know.
Instagram they behind.
Thank you.
Something
I want the iTunes and
iTunes.
Oh,
okay.
Anyway, double toilet all of them. We don't call us. For those of them we send tweet message, you know, if you reach our tweet, and those who want to take a call, make a no vex. Until tomorrow, we'll come on our way again. Make a get a better evening and enjoy yourself. And make you know you are connect. Now,
if you don't just enjoy the video, they want to just watch. Make a sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.